Here, we are about to introduce one of the OG Raks Geek performers, which is great, but there's a twist in the story. A little while ago, she moved away from Chicago. Oh no! Did you hear that? Oh, right, she moved away from Chicago. Cool, let's keep this peer pressure going. This is good. But the happy news is that she's in Chicago right this moment, which means we get her back. Hear that? Everybody loves it when you're in Chicago. I'm talking, of course, about the amazing Gaea Lady. Gaea Lady is, again, another multi-talented performer. She came up through the world of burlesque. She was once voted one of the top 50 burlesque performers in the world. And she is here to be a witch. Which witch?
Wicked.
Wicked. Close, but not Marvel. Scarlet. Are you ready for the most dangerous type of magic imaginable?
Chaos.
Yeah. Chaos, yes. Are you ready to have your socks blown off by Gaea Lady? Then your job is already done. See? No socks. It's amazing. It's magic. So, that is Gaea Lady being impressive before she even hits the stage. Let's see what she does when she's on stage. Please welcome Gaea Lady!